everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious and quick and easy. Wow, I can't wait, it's so hot. Woo. Potato crust pizza. This is very delicious and very tasty. If you try this pizza, this is no dough crust. This all crust is from potato. Try potato crust and you're going to like it. Potato crust pizza is all ready. If you're a potato lover, you will love it. You don't need a dough to make a pizza. Look at this. Very delicious. Very tasty. I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Mouth-watering. Today, I will show you how to make a delicious potato crust chicken pizza. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: 4 boiled potatoes. Then I'm using a chicken. This is the chicken sausages, bacon, mushroom, Swiss cheese, and these are chicken sausages. These are pre-cooked. I cut into small pieces. Then mozzarella cheese and pizza sauce. I'm going to show you right here everything, how I'm going to do it. Then we'll take this one to gas, our burner, and we'll cook it. So the first step will be, I'll bring all these back. Get a fry pan. We add olive oil, 1 teaspoon. We just need to make sure that it's nicely coated at the bottom. So make sure your bottom is nicely coated. Since these are non-stick, this is how it's gonna look. Now, I'll get my potato masher. I'll place the potato inside, just like this. And this is what we're going to do. This is going to work when we're going to squeeze it. When you press this one, all the potatoes coming down nicely. And this is the last one. So we did 4 of these. Once it's nicely squeezed out, look at this. That's beautiful. Anything coming out on the side, just we're going to get the spatula and we're going to make sure that we take out. Spread it. Just like this. So this is going to be the crust. Leave it soft as is. You don't need to press it. If you press it too hard, then it becomes like a dough. You don't want to do that. Just making sure it covers all the corners and just spread it evenly. We're going to add pizza sauce. Pizza sauce has everything. We're just going to do little amount of, not too much, just very little salt and black pepper. This is all we need. Now we're going to add pizza sauce. We're going to add mozzarella cheese. A thin layer of mozzarella cheese, just like this. Now add chicken sausages. I use only 1 chicken sausages, more mozzarella cheese. It's all ready once we laid out everything. So with the soft hand, we're going to press it. Put the cover on, use a lid like this. So now we'll take this one to the burner. We're going to start burner. And this is very important. Bring your gas to medium, on medium gas. And let it cook on medium flame, which is medium gas, for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will be all ready. Cooking for exactly 10 minutes on medium gas. I'll open the lid. Turn off the gas and I'll dish out. And let me share with you. So we're going to make sure that we take it out from the bottom and look at this. Wow. Very delicious. Prior to serving, we're going to add some red chili flakes. And this is all ready, and we're going to cut it. So I'm going to use my pizza cutter, and we're going to cut right in there. We're going to make 4 pieces. This is super tasty and super yum. Look at this. I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Mouth-watering. Very tasty and delicious and quick and easy. Wow. I can't wait. It's so hot. Woo. Potato crust pizza. This is very delicious and very tasty. If you try this pizza, this is no dough crust. This all crust is from potato. Try potato crust and you're going to like it. So you've seen it. It's so easy to make it and it's super delicious and it's super tasty. I really love it. And it's an instant pizza. Within 10 minutes, you have your pizza ready. You don't have to deep fry the potatoes. You don't have to cook the potatoes. Just boil it. You can microwave it or boil it in pressure cooker in water. So once you boiled it, then you peel the skin. You make a nice thin layer of crust at the bottom. You've seen it. I use 4 potatoes for this pan pizza. And then do the toppings, whatever you like. This is the chicken pizza. I hope you're going to like it and please try it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. Try this one. You can use a spoon and the crust. Look at this. The cheese. Wow. Very delicious.